boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Freya Skye here. Why do you have to call? We have this cool bass going on here the entire song in the same way. I'm going to show you how. Let's go into it. And since you can see here we have all chords with bar chords, then that means we don't need any capo. Let's go into the chords. We have 4 of them: D minor, C, A sharp, and F. So I choose to go with the bar chords. Normally I don't go because I want to have everything as easy as possible. I know it's not easy for everyone to have bar like this, but I'm going to show you how to do it very simply. So let's start with the D minor. The reason for having bar is because it just follows the same path down way it's there. So we start with D minor high up here on the 5th fret. So the full chord as it is, D minor bar, is like a bar on the 5th fret. You place the index finger and push down 5 strings, the first 5 strings if we count from down and up. Then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6th on B. That is how it usually is, but now since we're playing on the bass strings only, you don't have actually to hold a bar there. It's enough if you just hold that 5th fret A like this and just keep that 7th D and 7th G under like this, okay? If that makes sense, because we're gonna use pretty much only these 3 strings. So all right, so that makes it that much easier. That will be the D minor. I'm gonna show you the full chords as they are, but I'm gonna show you how to use it in a very simple way for this specific song. Next song is the C. So you go down with that bar on the 3rd fret, same 5 strings, and now you need to add 5th D, 5th G, and 5th B. Okay, but again, you can just go with the same grip and slide down to this 3rd fret. You don't have to have the bar or this 5th fret B string either, so just the 3 strings. And then we have the A sharp, and it seems you're gonna have the same grip as the C, but you just slide out to the 1st fret now with the bar. So 5 strings bar, and then the 3rd fret the D string, 3rd fret G, and 3rd fret B. Same shape as the C, okay? That's the A sharp, but again, we have that simple grip to have just 1st A, 3rd D, and 3rd G. Okay? So that will be the A sharp. And then we have finally the F, and it looks like this. So our bar still on the 1st fret. This time you need to push down all strings there. The bass string is important here on the 1st fret E string. And then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And I suggest to hold that chord as it is when you play this, okay? But you could, again, just play the top or the bass 6 strings there. The 1st E, 3rd A, and 3rd D. All right, so there you have the chord progression: D minor, C, A sharp, and F, all right? So how do we play it? You're gonna play downs only. So we're gonna start with D minor, 8 downs, then 3 downs on next chord, C, then 5 downs on the A sharp, and then 16 downs on F. And I like to think a cluster of 4 downs as 1 string around, so that makes it easy for D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get a certain rhythm there. Then that breaks out from the C and A sharp. You're gonna have a different break there, so you're gonna think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 8 downs, but the break is different there. So, and then you're gonna finish off with F. 16 downs, that will be 4 string rounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you handle Freya Skye's Why Do You Have to Call? Cool song. Give it a try. Hope to see you soon. Play soon.